Hi, I'm Evan, and this is Fanime Update. There's nothing going on this week, so you can just look at my muscles instead. 4 episodes, Honey Mustard made Undercover Action Fanime Episode 1. It's got men and muscles, and that's all you need to know. And X Media posted Love Saves, a scene from Enchant Guardian. 4 updates. Project Unknown's next part is now more than 75% completed. Quick Senpai made a preview for an opening. Irma made a compilation video of progress made on the flip side, which is now being rendered to webcomic format. They can't print me on a comic page, cause I always come out ripped. Oh, and that's all the updates. Forecasting calls, there's just one. Just like there's only one of me. Because some things are too perfect to be duplicated. Unfortunately, that one casting call is not me. It's Imagine, which is now open for casting. Unlike me. But I'm always open for ass kicking. In other news, Luis A. Lopez made a tribute to Fanime. The same way that I'm a tribute to fitness. Studio Fanime recorded another podcast. It did not include muscles. And Koi and Kirai posted the 2nd episode of the Koi and Kirai drama CD. But who needs drama when you've got fists? And pecs like these. Special thanks to Studio Bunny for drawing this week's frames. And that's a weird name. Is your studio a bunny? Or are you a bunny working at a studio? It's absurd. But I'll tell you what's not absurd. These guns, baby. I'm so buff, I don't follow traffic laws when I drive. I just stick one arm out the window and flex. And everybody gets out of the way. The police won't arrest me. Their handcuffs don't come in tree trunk size. The last time I showed these babies in public, it started a Cold War. But I guess that happens when you're carrying weapons of mass destruction. If you want to draw frames like these, then check the link at the bottom of the description. But make sure they're chiseled to perfection, or I'll find you, and you're gonna have a long chat with me and my muscles. That's all for now, but don't think you've seen the last of me. Be sure to check back next week for the latest Fanime update. In the meantime, you'd better sleep with one eye open and keep looking over your shoulder.